How to post a TikTok video to Instagram story. Now in the new Instagram update, we are allowed to use up to 60 seconds of videos to our Instagram story. So as long as the TikTok video is within 60 seconds or 60 and not more than that, you can always put it on your Instagram story. So in order for you to do that, it's actually quite simple. You just have to tap on the share icon from the bottom right, and first of all, you can choose to save the video. Now, once you've saved the video, one thing that I also recommend is you copy the link of this exact video. So tap on the share button again and just go ahead and then click on the more option right here, and make sure to just go ahead and then copy the link. So here I can see the link, I can just hit the copy button. Now what I will do is I will simply go ahead and then open up my Instagram, and once I open my Instagram, I can simply go to my story and simply select the video. Now let's say I have uploaded the video, but one thing that you also want is that when people click on it, you want them to go to the original TikTok video and not the one on your story. For that, you have to add a link. So go to the stories tab or the stickers tab right here, click on this little link option, and in the link option just paste the link that we actually just copied. Tap on the save option right here, and once done, you can ask people to basically watch this particular video by clicking on this official link. So this way you can post a TikTok video to Instagram story. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.